Hey everyone, what's going on? So today we have here S80 Bluetooth headphones by Bopmen, and it's bought from Amazon. So it comes in two variants, black and gray color, and like every American product, it's also made in China, of course. So let's see here. The package contains the wireless headphone, a USB charging cable, an audio cable, a carrying bag, and a user guide. So its key features are ergonomic comfort fit, button controls, bass clear sound, 20 hours of playtime, and hands-free calling. So that's good. And this product is not sealed, so that's not good. But let's see what we get inside of this. So it has everything mentioned in the box. So this is a 3.5mm audio cable that you can plug into your headphone and continue your music if the headphone runs out of battery. And this is a micro USB charging cable. So the cable quality is not really good, but it's enough for a headphone. And here we have the QR code. So if you want to extend your warranty, you can scan this QR code. And this is the user guide. So let's see what have we here. So it has a charging time of 3 hours and with a standby time of 300 hours, good, and with a 10 meter of transmission range. And here we have the button configuration. So it has a separate call or Siri button with the volume up and down button, and a pause and play button with the power button. So pretty basic configuration for a button. And now let's see. So this is what we are all here for, the carrying bag. So yes, this is a carrying bag that you would want to carry around. I mean, it has a really good quality. And here we have the headphone. But now who needs a headphone when we already got the carrying bag, right? But let's see. So it has a kind of a shiny black panel on the sides, so with a matte black and gray kind of a finish. And it has a nice leathery cushioned headband for a comfortable fit, so that's very good. So press and holding the power button turns it on. Turns on the headphone so that you can pair it. So it's always a catch with these headphones that the buttons doesn't work properly. It doesn't support the device sometimes, but I see that the buttons works perfectly fine in this. So the volume up and down button changes the volumes, and the power button works as a play and pause button, and a short press on volume up and down button changes the track. And you also have this separate Siri and call button, so you can receive and make calls with this button. So if we talk about the sound quality, there's not much to expect from a $20 headphone, but it still delivers a good sound quality. I mean, it has a really good soft bass clear sound, and you wouldn't want to play a low kind of quality music in this, but if you are playing good music with a high quality, you'll get a really good experience. And the only problem with these kind of headphones is that you can hear the music without putting it on, so that is there, but it's really comfortable. It fits perfectly, so it has a really good sound quality, I'd say. So when plugged in wire mode, I'd say the quality differs a bit. It gets a bit lower in terms of volume, so you might want to use a volume booster if you want to get in a groove or you're listening to some hard rock music. But in terms of sound quality, it does hold that crisp, clear sound, but it's just not loud enough. And I see the buttons doesn't seem to work in wired mode, so that is a bummer. So it's surprisingly good in a pocket-friendly budget with a nice color and design, and it has enough features with a good build quality. So if you want to check out this product, you'll find the link in the description. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.